Look, no one drop for this series. We just want to give opportunity for our youngsters, and they also are our future. So we want to give opportunity against Bangladesh, and I think when the time is come and they also know their role and what's coming in future for World Cup. We just need to we just need to ready our team for the World Cup, and that's the just opportunity for the youngster and go and show their skills.
Just one question at a time. No cross question.
Captain, Pakistan has a number of youngsters in the team, and many of them are top order batters. So among them, who are the likely ones to get a go ahead? We know that Saeed Farhan did so well in the World Cup, so he's probably one of the ones making his debut. But with so many debut ones likely to be tomorrow, how many of them do you think are going to be your first priority?
Excuse me. Hello. Can you please hold for us?
Yeah, there will be like 3 debuts, of course. Sahibzada will be like, he's a top performer in T20 and in one days, and also in List A cricket for Pakistan. He did well. There will be Maaz Sadakat will be open, and Shamil Hussain will be one down. So there will be like a 3 debut team, and I hope they will play their own game and show their skills. So we also as a team very excited to see them and play there for Pakistan, and not just for one series and for future as well.
Last series, West Indies came here. In the second ODI, West Indies bowled 50 overs with the spin. The 50 overs with the spin as actually.
There will be not happen. Pakistan team always Pakistan team knows for fast bowling, and I will definitely go with fast bowling and make sure like fast bowler takes wickets and also spinner contribute.
You mentioned the three batters who are likely to open the bowler. There's also a leg spinner, I think, Saad Masood. What do you think about the bowling lineup? It has a lot of experience, but are you also looking forward to one of the youngsters?
Yeah, sure. Like in one game, 15 can't play. I will be happy like 15 go with the same game. There will be like 11 play, and according to team and what's the team requirement and what's the pitch requirement. So we'll go with that, and let's see. We just have like one session more today, so we'll see, and then we'll finally decide the team 11.
Welcome to Bangladesh. After the World Cup, you are going to start a new series that is the one-day format. Bangladesh is good in this format in their home soil. So do you think this series will be very tough for Pakistan?
Of course, any team like in home condition, they're all the best team they're playing. Doesn't matter who are. Like Bangladesh had a good side, and they played a very good cricket in home conditions. They beat West Indies and everything. So I think we, as a team, we prepared, and we played last 2 ODI series against South Africa and Sri Lanka. So we played a very good cricket. So we just continue that. So far as a little bit feel like a little bit for fast bowlers, we'll see, and I'm not seeing right now. So just check again, and then had a discussion with team management, and then we'll go.
You guys came from the T20 World Cup, and nowadays T20s and one ODIs are a bit different format and different mentality now. Do you think you need to speak something to the players to adopt the one ODI format, or how do you do it?
No, I think they know there's different format, and there was the player we picked. They have played List A cricket, and they had for Pakistan Shaheens, and they had performances. So they know really well what format is coming, and we prepare for future World Cup, and just be for us is this is a preparation and also an important series for them as well.
The top 3 is going to take a bit inexperienced.
No, he's not inexperienced.
Inexperienced in ODI perspective, but Mars played the BPL last season. Do you feel those BPL phantoms can help Pakistan?
Yeah, I think they had a experience here. They played Bangladesh League here. Sahibzada played here. Maaz played here. Like few players also last year play. So I think for them it will be like normal, and they already played on this ground and pitch. They know the condition as well. So I hope they played their best cricket.
And you have shared your dressing room at Lahore Colonels with Vishal Singh. Does it give your side an edge to reading with his bowling, and you will discuss with your team to how you gonna counter him in ODI?
I think the batsmen know him very well, and recently played T20 against them as well, and also in PSL. So I hope not that much for our batsmen. They will play their own game, and whatever situation come for our batsmen, they will face on.
Thank you.
Thank you.